Okay, here's a little bit of an update on the Dutch bucket system, which you can see is largely operational. So, a few things here. Where do I start? First of all, I moved around my solar system to just make it a little more organized and to give myself a little more room. The biggest change was adding these buses so that I could include additional DC appliances, and expand my capacity a little bit, um, and just sort of neatening things up a little bit. Also, I'm prepping to add a second battery. I have it already, but I just haven't added it yet. Um, this white cord right here goes to this device, which is a Meros temperature controller. You can set it to react to either heat or to either trigger heating or cooling. I have it set to trigger cooling right now. There's a temperature probe which I've put inside this little piece of styrofoam, which is protecting it from the sunlight. But the temperature probe is set to 83 degrees, and at 83 degrees it triggers this outlet that's built into the unit, and that outlet powers this fan. So that's how that works. Other thing I have plugged in here is a timer for the Dutch bucket system, which runs a splitter, which I'm running 2 pumps. I'll probably consolidate that to 1 a little later on. So that's solar. Battery to charge controller. There's a shunt here to measure power. There's a fuse there, inverter, etc. But that's the revised system setup, all in one shot there.